The 1969 Pontiac Trans Am is an iconic piece of American muscle car history. Initially introduced as a special handling package, this version of the Firebird was created to compete in the Trans Am racing series and quickly became one of the most sought-after classics in the automotive world. Among the many variations of the 1969 Firebird, one particular model stands out as a true museum-quality gem. The 1969 Pontiac Trans Am with a super rare Ram Air 4. Pontiac first entered the pony car market with the Firebird in 1967, following Chevrolet's success with the Camaro. The Firebird became an instant success, contributing to Pontiac's recognition as a key player in the muscle car scene. But while the Firebird had several notable versions, the 1969 Trans Am is truly special. Only a small number of these cars were ever made, and even fewer were equipped with the optional Ram Air 4 engine, making it one of the rarest and most desirable muscle cars of its era. The 1969 Pontiac Trans Am was known for its unique styling, and the Ram Air 4 option took it to the next level. The car came with a distinctive cameo ivory exterior, paired with Tyrol blue racing stripes and a matching tail panel, a design that set it apart from other pony cars of its time. Under the hood, the Trans Am came standard with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine known as the L74 Ram Air 3, which produced 335 horsepower. However, those seeking more power could opt for the Ram Air 4, which was rated at 345 horsepower. While this may seem modest, the Ram Air 4 engine was widely regarded as underrated, as it actually produced 370 horsepower in the 1969 GTO. The Ram Air 4 was an expensive option, priced at $558.20 in 1969, about $4,934 today. Only 697 buyers selected the Ram Air 4 engine, making it one of the rarest options available for the 1969 Trans Am. Out of those 697 units, just 55 were equipped with a Ram Air 4 engine, and only 8 of those were convertibles. That makes the 1969 Pontiac Trans Am with a Ram Air 4 engine an ultra-rare collector's item that rarely comes up for sale. The example featured here is a true treasure. Scheduled for auction at Mecum's Indy 2025 event in May, this car has been meticulously restored to Concours-level quality. It boasts a flawless factory-correct paint job and retains its original blue interior with bucket seats, stacked gauges, and tachometer, all indicators of its authenticity and exceptional preservation. This Trans Am has also undergone a frame-off restoration, ensuring that it is as close to its original glory as possible. Under the hood, the 1969 Trans Am still retains its numbers-matching Ram Air 4 engine, a feature that is highly prized by collectors. The engine has been restored to its original specifications and sends its 345 horsepower to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission. This transmission option further narrows the production number, as only 46 of the Ram Air 4 Trans Ams were made with this configuration. Although Mecum has not provided an official estimate for the car's auction price, it's safe to say that the Ram Air 4 version is among the most valuable 1969 Firebird Trans Ams on the market. Recent sales data from Classic.com shows that 1969 Trans Ams have sold for an average of $144,878 between 2021 and 2025, with the highest prices for the Ram Air 4 models reaching $440,000. While it's impossible to predict exactly how much this particular example will fetch at auction, it's clear that it will be a major contender for a six-figure price. If you're in the market for a piece of American muscle car history, the 1969 Pontiac Trans Am with a Ram Air 4 engine is as good as it gets. This rare, museum-quality gem is sure to attract attention from collectors and enthusiasts alike, and it's one auction that you won't want to miss.